Hello all! I am back after a long time. Sorry for being inactive. So today we'll be making a quick snack which you can find in every convenience store of Japan. The filling is creamy and bursting with a rich egg yolk flavor, and the bread is soft and pillowy. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Japanese egg sandwich, also known as tamago sando in Japanese. So, the ingredients are 2 boiled eggs here, 4 slices of bread, coriander leaves, then we have black pepper to taste, then chili flakes, it's used for flavor, it gives a good flavor, then mayonnaise, then salt to taste. First of all, we'll cut the eggs into halves. And separate their yolks into another bowl like this. Now we will cut the boiled egg whites into small pieces. After this, mash the egg yolks. And add mayonnaise to it and mix it well. Add coriander leaves and mix again. Now we will add black pepper, salt to taste, and chili flakes and mix it well. Finally, we will add the egg white pieces to the mixture and blend it well. We have arrived at the final step. Now we just have to make sandwiches by putting the egg stuffing on a slice of bread and enclosing it with another slice of it. We will make 2 sandwiches. So if you want to make one sandwich, you can take 1 boiled egg instead and add spices according to your taste and take lesser mayonnaise. And there you go. The Japanese egg sandwiches are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching my video. How was the recipe? Let me know. And have you ever tried egg sandwiches with a different style, with a different taste? Then let me know that also. So, see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye everyone. Take care.